Your tummy rubs? Need your tum rubs? Run here.
Code. You need to go potty? You want to go potty outside?
No, get your tummy butt up.
Oh my.
I'm Alvin and Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you. I'd just like a cup of coffee, please.
Coffee? Sure. Coffee all around?
Actually, I'd like a mug of hot apple cider with a cinnamon stick.
Lady, does this look like Knott's Berry Farm?
He knows the drill.
I'm laying there, I'm like, Dark, you come over here. He's like, go, see if you can find her. Go.
I'll always be here for you.
Good morning.
Good morning. That doesn't usually happen. That was weird. Alright. Kind of threw me off focus a little bit. You don't get the top of your muffin yet.
Sounds funny.
What?
I said it sounds funny.
It does sound a little funny, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Should stop touching things.
Okay.
It does not look very good.
It's a very nice cheese skirt.
And it's not on cheese skirt yet. You gotta let it crisp.
Yeah?
Yeah. You gotta let it. You gotta do a whole hand thing too. So you gotta let it crisp it.
It's your shirt.
Ooh. Ah. Mmm. Touch it. I'm not going. This is what a cheese skirt is supposed to look like.
Yeah. Looks really good. Mine looks good too, though. Oh, wow.
That's a little crispy right here. That's okay. Dress. You gotta dress the sandwich.
Yeah, you do have a dress. Don't you?
Dress it, yeah.
Hi, Archie. Hi, Archie. Hi. I am making a beanie for Disneyland. This is what it looks like so far. I did a sparkly black and I did a ribbed pattern and I love it. I'm making a bow and it's gonna kind of go like that. And then I made some polka dots. So I'm going to put those on and then cinch it together and that'll be the bow. And then I have 2 pom-poms that I'm gonna put on top for the ears. Are you guys ready to see it? I really like it. It looks even cuter on camera. I made this, babe. This is so cute. Can you, Gordy? Look, why are you being shy? Hi. You're so handsome. So sweet, aren't you?
Wiggle booty, 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 wiggle booty.
She's so cute.
That's an odd place. It's as though everybody's moving 1,000 miles an hour and not surveying the situation.